Get ready to savor the warm and comforting world of brown. This week's challenge is all about earthy, wholesome vibes. Brown might not be the flashiest color on the spectrum, but it's packed with hearty, grounding, and delicious possibilities. Plus, you'll be nourishing your sacral chakra, Svadhisthana, the hub of creativity, pleasure, and emotional balance. Why brown? Brown symbolizes stability, reliability, and the nurturing energy of the earth. It connects deeply with the sacral chakra, located just below the navel. This chakra governs emotions, creativity, and your ability to enjoy life's pleasures. Eating brown foods can help you feel grounded and inspire your creative side while promoting a sense of balance and warmth. Remember to comment on your creative concoctions of the most brown foods you can muster up, and remember to subscribe so you can get all the other color challenges. Rules of the game. 1. Brown foods only. Say goodbye to the rainbow. This week it's all shades of brown. 2. Natural and whole. Skip processed junk. Go for earthy, wholesome foods. 3. Embrace texture and flavor. From crunchy to creamy, brown foods deliver. 4. Feel the comfort. Reflect on how these warm, grounding foods make you feel emotionally. What can you eat? Brown foods might seem basic at first glance, but they offer an array of tasty and versatile options. Breakfast. Whole grain oatmeal topped with cinnamon and a dollop of almond butter. And a slice of toasted whole grain bread with avocado or nut butter. A smoothie with cacao powder, dates, and almond milk. Lunch. A hearty bowl of lentil soup or chili. Brown rice with roasted mushrooms and caramelized onions. An abuda bowl with quinoa, chickpeas, roasted sweet potatoes, and tahini dressing. Dinner. Grilled tempeh or a black bean burger. A beef or mushroom stroganoff over whole grain pasta. A rich curry made with coconut milk, brown lentils, and earthy spices. Snacks and drinks. A handful of almonds, walnuts, or pecans. Dark chocolate, yes please. Chai tea or a creamy latte with cinnamon. Challenges to watch for brown may not win beauty contests, but it's the king of comfort food. The real challenge? Keeping your meals exciting and avoiding monotony. Get creative with spices, textures, and combinations to keep the week deliciously varied. The chakra connection. Brown foods resonate with the sacral chakra, helping you foster emotional balance and stability. And tap into your creative energy. Embrace joy and pleasure in life's simple moments. When your sacral chakra is balanced, you feel inspired, emotionally connected, and in touch with your creative flow. Eating brown foods can ground your body while awakening your imagination. What's your brown bowl of joy? It's your turn to take the earthy plunge. What's the most comforting or creative brown dish you can whip up? Could you handle a week of grounding, sacral chakra-nourishing meals? Share your ideas and inspire others to take on the challenge. Next up, white, the color of purity, clarity, and crown chakra energy. Get ready to explore the light side of food.